guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Radha, and today's video I will be doing another what's in my bag summer edition, and I think this is going to be very fun video to film since I got a lot of good feedback for my Louis Vuitton mini pochette unboxing. And a lot of you guys asked me a lot about that. I've been using my mini bag for a month already, and today's I think I will do a little review and I will show you what I usually put in my mini pochette. And yeah, if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. This is my little baby Louis Vuitton. It is very cute. As you can see, I wear the chain all the time. I will take this out for a bit and I can show you a little bit more. Here is my Louis Vuitton mini pochette in monogram canvas, and to be honest, I love this bag a lot. It's very handy, of course, very convenient, and it's very easy to go out with. I usually take this bag to grocery shopping, running an errand, and doing any kind of stuff with this bag. As I said in my unboxing video, I love this that I can use this in multiple ways. I can use this as a handbag, or I can just put it in the arm like this. My favorite type is using as a crossbody bag, which I am in love with that look. A lot of you guys ask me where I get these chains from. I got these chains from Amazon for $8. I will put the link in down below so you guys can check that out. I honestly don't want to pay for $200 for the chains, so I just decided to search around and I found that like very good price in Amazon, and this is very nice quality. I could say that. The reason I shoot these chains is just because the lobster crabs is kind of matched with the Louis Vuitton ones. It's pretty nice when they are together. What I don't like about this chain is just it's too heavy for this little bag, but I find out it's okay. It's totally fine for me, so that is not a problem. Actually, I adjust the size a little bit to fit my height. It's just very easy. You just cut some of the piece out and you adapt to your height, and that is going to be perfect for your height and your fit. If you guys more interested in like crossbody bag, I would recommend this as a mini crossbody bag. I really like how the chain sits in this bag. It's just very cute, and I don't know, it's just very nice feeling of touching this bag as well. So a lot of you guys ask me how I get this bag and how I find this. I got this bag from eBay, and I think it's a little bit pricey. The average price on eBay is about $500 to $600 for a brand new bag, so it's kind of pricey. So if you guys are really interested in this bag, I would recommend you guys to call the store, talk to the customer service. They are going to help you out when they get one. It's pretty rare item, so the customer service told me that it usually comes once in a while. So if you guys can wait for it, just wait for it, because the price is a lot cheaper, to be honest. Just keep an eye on the site, talk to customer service. I think they're gonna help you out, and yeah, that's what I would recommend. If you guys don't want to wait, you guys can go for another store, another site. I think there are a lot of brand new for this mini pochette. But anyway, I'm so happy with this, what I got, and I will show you guys what is my currently essential, what I usually put it inside. Basically, it's just like this. I have my car key, which is very simple. I also have my L'Occitane lip balm and another lipstick from YSL, and this color is amazing. I really like that. I have my alcohol pad, just a little paper, just I can clean it when I go out, and alcohol pads. And the last thing that I have is very essential one, which is my mini bag, mini card holder. This one I got it from Kohl's. Is very nice color. It is in baby pink color, which the original canvas, which is so beautiful. I really like Kohl's because it's very inexpensive. It's like affordable price. The quality is amazing. I put my cards here and I have my ID right here. And I put some cash and some coin right here. I sometimes put my key in here, and that is pretty nice. It's very handy, it's very convenient. Sometimes I go for grocery shopping or short walk, I would just bring this bag, and it is so convenient, very easy, and it's very nice touch. It's not that thick and it's not as thin as well, but it's pretty nice. I really like it. You can make it more thin, but I really like to put the cash inside, so it's kind of like a little bit chubby, but it's okay as long as it fits in my mini bag, which is so nice. It fits perfectly, as you can see. One thing I don't like about this bag is just sometimes I cannot fit the phone inside, and it's kind of annoying sometimes, like you cannot put the phone inside your bag, but it's fine for me. As you guys probably see, I find the other ways to put my phone, and I just put on my jeans sometimes. If you guys have iPhone 6, 7, 8, iPhone SE, your phone definitely can fit this bag. So, but yeah, I definitely love this bag. I would recommend you guys to get one if you're interested. This pochette is very handy, very compact. I just love the way how I can style this with so many ways. And yeah, this is all what is in my bag, summer edition. I know this video is kind of short, but yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, please give me a like, give me a subscribe, and that's gonna help me a lot. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!